Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, with Ethereum, the situation hasn't really changed. We still look at the possibility, and actually that's the primary scenario, that we're coming down here in an impulsive wave structure in a C wave of a wave Y of a wave 2. And the idea is, it has been for months basically, that as long as we are holding the support range here, basically on the daily time frame, all the way down to 1534, which doesn't mean we have to go down that low, but it just means that as long as we're holding that, we can rally in the third wave with a good likelihood afterwards. And again, that can take us to $3,000 plus, but we are not there yet, and it will be a lot of work for Ethereum to rally and everything, and it will probably take time. However, at the moment we are holding support, and in this current structure in which we, in the primary scenario, are still in the wave 2, we are currently looking at a short-term bearish count because the idea is to go down further as a WXY structure. In the Y wave we have an A wave, a B wave and a C wave. So the B wave could have topped. Not guaranteed that it has topped, but it could have topped. That's currently the idea, because there was quite a substantial top there on Sunday, and we reacted to the golden ratio here, one of the fib levels in our resistance box that we had on the chart. By the way, I'm going to take that off now. It was relevant for the B wave at the time. It worked, and now we just take it off. Now we're coming down most likely in the C wave, but it's not confirmed yet. It will only be confirmed as soon as price breaks below the A wave low, which is the low of the 11th of May, and we're talking here about 1739. And ideally, we are heading down now in an impulse. We're currently sketching out the first 5 waves down. Now that could be a wave 1 of the C wave, so it could take a little while until this is finished, and it will probably be a bit of a rocky road. We're going to zoom in now, take a look at how the structure is doing, but we discussed that in the previous video. Price action, again, not much action today, so nothing has changed. The idea is still that the move of the high, actually the Monday high, was a wave 1. We then rallied in a wave 2. We are probably still in a third wave, and in the third wave we've done a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4. Wave 5 possibly done, but I think it could get another low. Nevertheless, I gave you already in the last video the resistance area against which I'm focusing on lower in a still unfolding impulse. So that means as long as we stay below the 50% retracement level, 1879, 1880, plus minus a few dollars, yeah, because this is not an invalidation point. It's more like, okay, if price gets above that level and sustains there, then we're probably dealing with a more bullish structure. But as long as we don't break above that, that is the view, that we're heading down lower. And also price action to the upside is very corrective at this stage again. What we need to look out for now is possibly one more low. If that happens, I have to adjust the resistance area slightly. An ideal target for a fourth wave, by the way, is the 38.2 retracement. Here we talk about 1870. Well, again, this at the moment is just a potential in the making. It is the primary expectation, but still we only have 3 waves down so far. We don't have a 5-wave move complete. So it could also be something different, and that would be the short-term bullish count. Again, at the moment, not the primary expectation, but Ethereum is holding currently much better than Bitcoin. And as I said, to really confirm the C wave down, it needs to break below that swing low of the 12th of May. As I said before, a bullish direct breakout count would be possible. But if we break above that 1879 level, my first view would be probably that this yellow B wave, I didn't want to put a text there, that this yellow B wave just simply gets extended, that this was just a wave W of wave B. This is an X wave, which should be nearly finished, and then a Y wave. Then we just get a higher B wave. Yeah? So B is going to sit here. However, if we get something like that, then we suddenly have 5 waves up. Yeah, and you call that a wave 1, that a wave 2, that a wave 3. No, that was wrong. 1 second. No, where the B wave is, that would be the wave 3. Then we have a 4. And a 5, and then we can say, okay, we had a 5-wave move up of the 12th of May low, and that would rather indicate that indeed price may have completed all of wave 2 already on the 12th of May, and we're already in a breakout, but that would only be possible in a so-called diagonal structure, which is very messy and typically less reliable. Therefore, as I said, my first view would be with just extending the B wave, and I gave you a very clear level above which things shift a little bit more bullishly, which is the 50% FIB level that I showed you at 1879. Besides that, there is not much more to add here at the moment. Hopefully we'll get a bit more action maybe today, tomorrow. But then again, you know, the goal of trading is not to not be bored. Yeah, the goal of trading is to make some money. So boring times belong to the market. Okay. So hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.